So question number 4, answer the following equation. So number 1, it says find the value of 3xy if x is 3 and y is 4. So we have an expression 3xy, and we are given that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. And what do we have to do? We just have to substitute the values into these variables. Then we get 3 times x is 3 times y is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 4 is 36, right? So let's try number 2. Let's try number 3. X times x minus y to the second power, I think, and we are also given that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 4. Well, we just have to substitute the values. X is 5, y is 4, y is minus 4 to the second power, and 5 minus 4 is 1 to the second power, which is 1. Okay, so that's how you solve this kind of questions. Question 5. Given that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6, solve for the values of the following expression. Well, it's just the same thing as the one that we have done here in question 4. Alright, well, let's try again. We are given that x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, and let's look at number 1, x to the third power plus y to the fourth power, and it is equal to 5 to the third power plus 6 to the fourth power, and 5 to the third power, that's 5 times 5 times 5 plus 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, and 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 5 is 125, plus 6 times 6 is 36 times 36, and 125 plus 36 times 36, that's 36. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 1, 2, 9, 696. The answer is then, if you add 125 to 1296, then 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1421. That's the answer. Let's try one more question. Number 4 seems to be a big one. 3x cubed plus 2y squared divided by y. So x was what? X was 5. So 3 times 5 cubed plus 2, y was 6. 6 squared divided by 6, and we get, so let's calculate. 5 to the third power was 125. 125 times 3, 125 times 3 is 15, 7, 375 plus 6 times 6 is 36, times 2 is 72, divided by 6, and if you add 72 to 375, then 447 divided by 6, and 447 divided by 6, it is 6 times what goes into 44? 7, 42, right? 6 times 7 is 42, 27. Well, if you, okay, 6 times 4, 30.5. So the answer is 74.5 is the answer. So it's quite easy. You just have to substitute, or you just have to plug in the values and solve, or just compute what you have there. Okay. So so let's do the number 6.